we have all of the elements that we want for the game. We want there to be a score, there to be a purpose, and now what we need to add is a win condition, right? So what I will do is have the win condition be when player 1 reaches a size of 100%. Okay, and so if that's true, then what's going to happen? Let's have all of the sprites disappear, hide, except for player 1. He'll stay on the map. The scores are going to disappear, and this sprite that says player 1 wins is going to show. All right. So let's get that going. So how are we going to do that? Well, in this forever loop right here, we can add a check, and we could say if size is bigger than 100. Right? And notice here we're setting size to this big expression, which is size, the variable size, plus the variable score divided by 2. So this is going to be pretty simple. We just get an equal sign, and then we duplicate this expression here, and we put it in there. If it is equal to 100, then do something. And what is it going to do? Well, we need a lot of different actions to happen, right? This needs to hide, that needs to hide, all these guys need to hide, this one needs to show, the scores need to hide. So the best way to get this done is if we broadcast a message, right? And we could broadcast a message called end game. And if you don't have it, you can add it by hitting new message. And I guess from here we can get started on some of those tasks, right? So over here in data, we could say hide variable, and the variables we want to hide are player 1 score, player 2 score. We want the sound to turn off, so let's come over here and say stop all sounds. And after we stop all the sounds, we want to play a sound basically stating that the game is over, right? So we can maybe play a pop sound. Okay, so that's that. And then now we need all of these guys to hide, right? And that's what we have here, right? When I receive end game, right? When I receive that broadcast, hide. Same thing over here. When I receive, hide. When I receive, hide. When I receive, hide. Over here, when I receive, hide. And over here is when I receive, show. Right? And notice here that player 1 does not have when I receive, hide. Okay, because we do want player 1 to be on the screen. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to automatically set the size to 95. And so then after eating a couple of items, this will be true, and it will hopefully stop the game. Right? So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh my goodness, look at my size. Why am I starting out so big? Oh, that's right, I set it to 95. Okay, let me continue playing. Alright, let's go ahead and collect some of these here. So you notice here that the game is not ending. Okay, and so what is the reason the game's not ending? I set my size to 95, and it's saying once this big expression equals 100. Right? Well, I should get to 100 very quickly, but I do not. Right? So what's happening is that this expression is equal to a number like 99. Then I eat a swirl ball, and it jumps from 99 to 101. And this expression is not true, right? And this is not true. So none of this stuff that stops the game happens. How do we fix this problem? If we go to operators, you're not going to use the equal sign. You're going to use the inequality, right? The greater than. So you're going to say if this expression is greater than 100, then we are going to stop the game by broadcasting the signal and making all of these actions happen. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, that's not good. So play until done. Yeah, so this is a forever loop. It keeps on playing the pop sound until it is done. Maybe here we could say stop all scripts right in here, right? That will make sure that everything stops after it plays the pop sound. And that's about it. I think that's it. Let's see. Maybe I could play the pop sound over here. Let me come over here to the backdrop. I can get the when I receive end game, go to sounds, and I have a couple sounds I can use here. So I'm going to say play this sound until done. Whoosh. Okay. Maybe I can play it twice. Let's try this again. There we go. Right. So the game ends. And that is our game. That's about it. There's a couple of challenge exercises on the website, and you can continue working on that or implement something that you have thought of on your own. Good luck.